Are pesky errors like no SIM found, invalid SIM, or SIM card failure popping up on your OnePlus device? Don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to fix these no SIM found, invalid SIM, or SIM card failure issues on your phone. So, let's start with some quick fixes. First, give these basic settings a shot. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Give your phone a restart. Sometimes a simple reboot can clear up minor bugs. If the problem persists, let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Enable SIM card. First, open up your settings. Then, tap on mobile network. Next, locate and tap on the option for disable SIM. Toggle it on. Voila! Your issue should be resolved. If not, on to the next step. Solution 2. Eject and reinsert your SIM card. Before anything else, power off your phone. Use an ejector tool to remove the SIM card, to remove the SIM tray from the bottom of the device. Take out the SIM card. Give the gold contacts of the SIM card a gentle clean with a soft, dry cloth or eraser. Wait a few seconds. Pop the SIM card back into the tray. Insert the SIM tray into your phone. Power your phone back on. Still no luck? Try swapping out the SIM card for another one. If you're still grappling with the same issue, let's explore more solutions. Solution 4. Reset network and Bluetooth settings. Open settings once more. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on additional settings. Keep scrolling until you find backup and reset. Tap on reset phone. Choose the option for reset network and Bluetooth settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Network and Bluetooth settings again. Wait for the reset to complete. Your network reset is done. That should do the trick. Hopefully, your issue is now a thing of the past. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop. Thanks for tuning in.